To send an ACH payment to someone in 2025. Follow these straightforward steps. First, understand what ACH stands for, which is Automated Clearinghouse, a network used for electronic payments and money transfers. Begin by gathering the necessary information from the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and the bank's routing number. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies the bank, and you can usually find it on the bottom left corner of a check or on the bank's website. Next, determine the type of account you are paying, which can be either a checking or savings account. This information is crucial as it may affect the processing time and any potential fees associated with the transfer. Now, navigate to your online banking platform or mobile banking app, and look for the option to send an ACH payment. This is often found under the Transfer or Payment section. Enter the recipient's information, including their name, account number, and routing number, and select the type of account. Choose the payment amount and select the payment date. You can usually choose to send the payment immediately or schedule it for a future date. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is accurate, as ACH payments can take a few days to process and may be difficult to reverse. Once you have verified the payment details, confirm the payment. You may receive a confirmation number or email, which you should keep for your records. It is essential to note that ACH payments typically have a cutoff time, and any payments initiated after this time may not be processed until the next business day. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with ACH payments, which can vary depending on your bank and the recipient's bank. To avoid any potential issues, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment, and be cautious when sending payments to unknown recipients. Finally, keep in mind that ACH payments are generally secure, but it is still crucial to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can send an ACH payment to someone efficiently and securely in 2025.